makes AI digital sales agents. Once you log into our website, ShiftRight.sg, you can hire Michael. The access is easy. With one click, you can just directly log in via your LinkedIn login account. Once you're inside the platform, imagine it to be like your AI sales assistant. So this is the login screen, but Michael will be sitting over here for you. For the very first time, like you onboard a new employee to your company, you onboard Michael to introduce themselves to your company. So it will ask you some questions around what does your company do, what's your role, etc. And all these things you can go and update in the settings directly. So the very first thing, you will have to connect your mailbox. You can connect your calendar, it's optional. The second thing is you will have to input one or two liners around. If you have multiple product offerings, you can keep on adding more product offerings. However, you can add just one liner about your company offering, about your value proposition, about your pain points, case study references, etc. There are two more settings. So one is about you. You can enter details about what your title is, your past companies, your education, etc. It will be useful in crafting the emails. And lastly, there is a persona settings. So what persona settings does, Michael essentially does prospecting on your behalf. It writes personalized emails to people. So you can either upload emails into the platform, or alternatively, we have an inbuilt database of around 300 million emails via our different data providers partnerships. So for instance, in my case, I typically target, let's say, people who are working in sales roles. All I have to do is to put the job title. I can use any geography, let's say Australia, let's say Singapore, and I can just quickly save this button. Now basically Michael has been onboarded. It knows about your company offering, it knows about you, it knows about the people you target. And once this is saved, we can just quickly view sample. And once we view sample, essentially it will show us the screen around 10 people, sample people it will show, which match the criteria. Head of sales, primarily based out of Singapore, Australia. Across industries, we can narrow it down by industry, by language, etc. And this is all it takes for your bot to get ready. Now it's all about starting the prospecting. So there are two main sections: lead management, campaign management. Lead management is where you have three options to add the leads. You can add it manually, you can upload an Excel file, or alternatively, since the platform has its inbuilt data source, you can use that. So let's use Excel file in this case. I was about to prospect into some people which are based out of, let's say, Hong Kong. So I've prepared an Excel file. All I have to do is upload that and map the fields: first name, last name, email, company name, as well as country of the people. I can also add title as an option. And once that's done, there are around 20 records which are a part of that. Now, Michael is smart. What it will do, we have an existing campaign running, or alternatively, we can start a new campaign. Each campaign is like a scenario. So let's start with attributing these people to a cold email campaign. On a cold email campaign, what at the background Michael will do is to search the people profiles, their LinkedIn post, interviews, podcast, or about their company news, and it will craft personalized emails to the people. Not only that, it will automatically do follow-up emails as well. So this is a preview sample screen. There's a person called Edmund, which is a part of our mailing list. He's a part of Oracle. So you notice the first line itself has been very personalized, considering from where what it is writing. And then we have the sample screen for touch 2, touch 3 emails. So let's move ahead. And on this screen, you will see emails being written automatically, a personalized email for each of the person who have been added as part of our campaign. Now you have two options. Either you can approve these emails, or you can select all the leads together and approve in bulk. Alternatively, you can just run this campaign on an autopilot mode where it will not require your approval and the emails will be auto gone out. So each email is highly personalized to the person which it is coming, which it is reaching out to.